Hi everyone. Me and I have blog. So I have a blog. It's black. It's slime, and it really is squishy and all that. You buy this at Dollar Tree. There are blue ones, colored blue. I don't know, but these are really cool. A mushroom. It's really good. If you see these ones on Dollar Tree, just buy them. It has this. It's like it says, "Do not enter because this is really not safe." So it has these, and it looks like it's canned. You shake it, and here's that it has Bob, and then we keep doing it, and then okay, bye. And please buy these at Dollar. These ones.